Tom the tow truck. Hi, Christopher. How are you doing? I see that your mixing drum is rotating. Does that mean that you're mixing the concrete? There! I can see the concrete coming out of the discharge chute. This concrete will be used to construct the buildings. You've stopped working. Is it break time already? No? Oh, what happened then? Are you having trouble starting your mixing drum? And you need to finish the work today? Uh-oh. Don't be upset, Christopher. It's all right. I will call Tom to help you. Wait here. Hey, Tom. Feeding the pigeons, eh? Aren't you ticklish? Tom, sorry to bother you in the middle of pigeon feeding, but we need you at the construction site right away. Christopher, the concrete mixer truck, is in trouble. Would you please help? Thanks, Tom. Thanks, birdies. So, let's hurry, Tom. We have no time to waste. On your right, Tom. Great. Straight ahead, Tom. This road will take you to the construction site. Tom, can you spot Christopher? Not here. There he is. Come on, Tom, let's go to Christopher. Hey, Christopher, Tom is here. He will fix you up in no time. Let's take you to the garage, Christopher. Are we ready, Tom? Come on, Tom. Yeah, you can do it. The garage is not that far. Come on, Tom. Hey, I have an idea. Christopher, why don't you rev up your engines? It will make it easier for Tom to take you to the garage. Perfect. And there, we have reached the garage. Christopher, Tom will take a look at you now. Let's find a new mixing drum for you. Perfect. Let's replace the old drum. There we are. That looks great. Let's find out if it works great, too. Why don't you give it a try, Christopher? Great work, Tom. Is anything wrong, Christopher? Oh, Tom, it looks like the drum is working fine, but the discharge chute isn't. Oh, all right. So you think it is blocked? Yeah, let's change it. Well, time to replace the old discharge chute. That's perfect, Tom. You know what to do now, Christopher, don't you? So let's get started. Is anything wrong, Christopher? Oh, there is a hole in the water tank. It needs to be fixed. So how do we go about it, Tom? What's that? A heat gun? Good idea, Tom. Do you need anything else? So, what do we have here? Ah, I can find something we can use to patch up the drum. Cool. I like that mask on you, Tom. You should wear it more often. So, we have melted the sides of the hole so that the material can stick to it. And now, the heat from the heat gun will melt the material and fix the hole. Kudos to you, Tom. Great work. Well, everything's working normally, so I guess we're done here. Time to get to work, Christopher. Bye. Oh, Tom, look, your alarm is ringing. It looks like someone else in Car City needs your help, Tom. Wait here, and I will go and see who needs your help. Hi, Charlie. Looks like you're having a busy day. Oh no, Charlie, your hook is broken. Hey, look, don't worry, Charlie. Tom the tow truck can fix you up in minutes. Wait till I bring him here. Hey, Tom, Charlie the crane is in trouble. Let's go. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. Tom, can you find Charlie? Look, there he is. Let's hurry. Hey, Charlie, Tom is here. Let's take you to the garage, Charlie. Hard work, yeah? Come on. To the garage, everyone. Charlie, Tom will have a look at you now. We need to replace the hook first. Let's see what we have in stock. Will this one do, Tom? You're right. This one's not strong enough. What about this one? You're right. This one is an anchor. How about this? Perfect. You are looking good, Charlie. All thanks to Tom. Anything else, Tom? The revolving deck isn't working smoothly. Tom, what do you suggest? Yes, you're right. Let's try fixing it with a wrench, and it will work better. There, here's the wrench. Perfect. Charlie, let's see if your revolving deck works now. Wonderful. What happened, Tom? Any problem? Ah, a broken headlight. We could have easily missed that. But I guess that's not a problem at all, Tom. I am sure you could easily fix it. What size do we need for Charlie's new headlight, Tom? So what do you think, Tom? Yes, you're right. That one looks perfect. Charlie, you have a new headlight now. Isn't that great? Anything else on your mind, Tom? Good idea. Let's give Charlie a shower. Let's get started. Woohoo! Now you look as good as new, Charlie. What a transformation. Great work, Tom. Bye, Charlie. Tom, see you later. Bye.